on the beach in Hawaii.
Hi, my name is Heather Grisco. I'm the owner of Bird Rock Yoga, and I'm here with Mandy Burstein, also a teacher at Bird Rock Yoga, and we're so happy to talk to you about our upcoming retreat to the North Shore of Oahu this coming June.
So we chose this really cute town called Haleiwa on the North Shore of Hawaii to take you all to. Heather lived in Hawaii for a few years before moving to San Diego, and I have family there, and we've both visited Haleiwa and love it. It's the perfect mashup of the surf yoga culture, just this perfect artsy little town where you can completely get away from everything, unplug, detox your life, and recharge.
So what type of yoga are you guys going to be teaching?
We're offering two styles of yoga on the retreat. I'll start by talking about what I'm teaching in the mornings. I'm teaching a vinyasa, more powerful, dynamic flow class to just wake you up in the morning, get you ready for your day, and get you going. And then the evening classes are led by Mandy.
So at nighttime, we'll come back after a long day exploring Hawaii. We'll come back to our plantation and we'll just wind everything down with a lovely restorative yoga class by candlelight under the moon. It's going to be a really amazing detoxing way to end our days in paradise.
Where are we staying?
So we're staying at this awesome home on the North Shore in Haleiwa. It's a former plantation, so it's a large 3-acre organic farm with fruit trees and wild horses on the properties nearby. And we're about a block from the beach, from a surf break called Chun's Reef, and there's 8 other surf breaks right within walking distance. If you don't surf, it's an excellent time to try. We can all paddle out and try together. It's going to be June in the summertime, so the waves are a lot smaller and more manageable, great for beginners and intermediate surfers. There will be less crowds, warm water. If you're not a big fan of surfing, we're going to be paddleboarding, trying some paddleboard yoga, going snorkeling, scuba diving if that's your thing. It's just, there's going to be so many options.
There's so many different things to do on the island too. It's a perfect location for it. And even if you don't like the water, there's hiking, there's waterfalls we can visit and tour too. And we're going to be able to take day trips throughout our trip as well. So taking trips to Waikiki or moving on to the windward side, going into Kailua and Lanikai and enjoying the beautiful beaches there and the sights that the entire island is really affordable for everyone, and it includes so much. It includes your flight if you want to fly out of San Diego with us, your flight and all ground transportation around the island, to and from the airport, all accommodations. We're staying, like Mandy had mentioned, at this amazing plantation home on an organic farm, so there's so much space. So it includes that. It includes yoga twice a day, your morning breakfasts, a workshop, with our local instructors.
Aloha, Hawaii!
On the beach in Hawaii. Hey, I wish you were here with me, walking on the beach in Hawaii.